Right then, continuing on the Mario Kart thing, because I love Mario Kart and Super Mario. This is the, what do we call this, the Standard Kart, which, look at the box, comes with some cool stuff. Got the gliders. This is the only one with a glider, apparently, which I find really strange, because why don't they do packs? Or at least where you could buy the glider and stick them on the others, but whatever. I don't understand their decision with that one, but this is the set, and we're going to build this one. Thank you for all your support on the channel. We are at 2,260 subscribers currently, so that's cool. And it does interact, obviously, with Super Mario and the other figures. So I've only got this one. I need to get the other two, but kind of expensive over here. They've not been into many discounts, so I'll wait until they're discounted a little bit. That will come, I'm sure. So yeah, this is cool, and it looks like there is a video as well that you can download, which is awesome. Well, or at least watch, so I'll try and get that into the video as well. Okay, so it's a go, as Mario says. I'll build this and then I'll show you the finished product at the end. The information is age 7+, 174 pieces. It's item number 72032, $19.99 at the moment, so it's not too expensive, but we'll judge that when we actually build it. Okay, so build a standard kart and prepare for drifting and gliding action with this collectible Mario Kart playset for kids. Me, I'm a kid. Oh, there's a link to the video there as well. Okay, that's cool. Interactive play possibilities, add Lego Mario, Lego Luigi or Lego Peach for interactive play. So that's going to be some sounds for us, which is cool. So yeah, let's do it. I will see you when I finish the build. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, put some comments in the video. Let's see what you think of this set. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I forgot. Let's do the opening of the box. I'm thinking, hold on a second, I've forgotten something. And I forgot to open it up and show you. Right, so inside we have, yay, paper bags. Okay, we have the manual, of course, which is cool. I'm going to use the 3D manual to do mine, because that's how I roll. So that's that. And then we've got the kind of plasticky Mario glider, which is cool. And we have 4 stickers, which I'm presuming are for the wheels. When you're building the wheels, get out of my face, camera, thank you so much. There we go. So that's that. And then we've just got 2 paper bags. Awesome. I'll see you in a bit. Again, bye.
A few moments later.
Right, finished. Sorry about this, still haven't sorted this out, but here's the little turntable, there's the cart. The cart looks awesome. I like the little smiley banana in here, it's really awesome. Let's see if I can, oh my god, this is so bad with wheels. I need to lift it up a level, there we go. Okay, that's better, it's in focus. Right, so you've got the smiley banana, you've got the red shell, you can shoot the red shell. You've also got a spare green shell. So the cart actually went together really easily. You've only got stickers on the wheel hubs, quite easy to put on. The glider part is really cool. The engines can be positioned up and down, which is awesome. I really did like this build. It wasn't too long, didn't take too long at all. Let's just unplug that. Okay. So put that to one side. You've got the little mechanic. He's kind of cool, kind of cute. Little blue feet on. And focus. And focus. Not focus. Stop focusing on my face. I need to sort that camera out. I need to sort lots of things out. Okay, there we go. But he's kind of cool. I like him. This is all printed, which is nice. So's the face. You can take, not take his head off, but take his hat off. So his face is printed. The torso part is printed as well, which is really nice. I like that. And without his head on, he's going to hurt himself. Right, okay, GG's. There we go. Okay, so that's the mechanic. You've also got the little, this is a targeting station. If I can get that in focus. So you can shoot your shell at the target, but obviously not from the car because it's slanted. But you can kind of, boom, shoot the target. So you have got, like I said, green shell and a red shell. So same as the other set that we did. There we go. So they're good. And then the interaction is actually a little bit confusing, but let's go get Mario. Okay, Lego Mario time. He goes on to here, and you'll see, hopefully, hello. There we go. So the mechanic does his work. Let's go. Get some gold. Chuck him in here. You can hear it. And that's the flying sequence. Like that. And then you land him. Goes around the corner. If I do this, right, now he's going to start. So you got 60 seconds. There you go, lift him up, flying. And then land. It's crazy. Doesn't really make much sense. It's like, just keep going, I suppose. I don't know. Every time I've done it so far, I've ended up with 0 coins, and maybe next time, which is strange. There we go, it's near the end of the race. Oh! This is the end, coming up. What did I get? Probably 0 again. Oh no, it didn't. Awesome. So that's cool. Ta-da! Alright, so that's the interaction side of it. I don't play with it, obviously, but see you later, Mario. You go over there. Right. But nice little set. And of course it matches the Yoshi bike that we did the other day, which is cool. He can actually sit in here, look, and drive. So you have got the little figure, the mechanic figure, who can drive as well. Awesome little set. I love the glider. It's a shame you can't buy these, like these parts separate in a, like, I don't know, a poly bag or something, so that you can put them on the other carts if you got them. So you can position the motor in different ways, just like, you know, straight down or whatever. So that's kind of good. And obviously the gun shoots on the side there, like that. Why is all skew with? Did I put it in wrong? Probably. Oh my god. Okay. There we go. That's better. So yeah. So the shell launcher sits in there like that. So there we go. Yeah, the glider's nice. I like it. It's plastic, which is cool. Plastic sheet. Right. What do you think? I liked it because I kind of like, obviously, it brings back memories of playing Super Mario Kart and stuff. There's a little target station, a mechanic station. This is a bit floppy, don't like that, but whatever. I know it's supposed to be if you shoot it with a shell, but I'm not going to be doing that. So yeah, there you go, all done. And on to the next one. Don't know when I'm going to do the next one. I have got them all. We'll see. Like, subscribe, let me know what you think. I think it's cool. but then that's nostalgia kicking in. Not nostalgia necessarily, because you know you can still get the game and they're still doing packs for it. Have heard rumours on the internet that they're doing Mario Kart 9 or Mario Kart 2 or something when the new new Switch launches. So we'll see what happens. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.